today's video, I'm going to teach you step by step how you can start trading base tokens, starting from wallet creation, bridging platforms, trading, bots, and also showing you some very useful tools to become a successful base trader. I'm going to keep this video very short and straight to the point because I don't want you to get confused. First of all, to trade base tokens, you need a wallet. In this case, you have three options. First of all, it's Phantom, then we have MetaMask, and we obviously have Coinbase Wallet. Remember that Base, it's a network built on top of Ethereum by Coinbase. So therefore, this would be like the official wallet, quote unquote. Me personally, I use Phantom. It's very useful and very easy to use. It has the Base integration not so while ago, but doesn't really matter. Once you have your wallet, you might be wondering, okay, how can I get Base tokens? Well, in this case, you have three options. First one will be bridging directly from the wallet itself. For example, I have this brand new Phantom wallet that I just created, and you're going to see that if you click on receive, you have the base address, which by the way is the same as the Ethereum one, and you want to trade, let's say Solanas for base. You would go on swap, and here you would choose base. Therefore, you can exchange Solana straight up to Ethereum on base chain. If you don't want to use your wallet, you have exchanging services like changenow.io, which by the way, you're going to have the link in the description. It's very easy to use. First of all, you select the token you want to bridge from. For example, Solana. You also have Tron, Ton, I don't know, many others. And you're going to select Ethereum. It has to be on the base chain. Later on, you're going to introduce the ETH payout address. So this is where the Ethereum will be sent to. And the way it works, for example, let's do a very quick test. Let's say that I'm going to click on receive to this Ethereum address. I'm going to click on confirm, and I would have to send a Solana to this address. Once they receive the payment and confirm it and everything, they will exchange it for Ethereum and send it back to your wallet. Once again, this step is pretty straightforward. You can do it directly from your Phantom wallet. But if you feel more comfortable doing with these third-party services, please feel free to use it. When it comes to degen platforms, like for example the pump fund of base tokens, we have primarily two of them. First one, it's ape.store, link in the description, and this one is basically the pump fund on base. You come here, you connect your wallet, and you can start searching, clicking, doing your own trades on the brand new Memecoins. If you move to wo.xyz, which is the second website, it's pretty much the same one as ape.store. Same thing, you come here, you connect your wallet, and you can even create your own token. If you want a more established tool, you have Bullex. Bullex also has the cross-chain tradings. So if you want to see the base chain, you would come here on the top left corner on chains and select base. Here you will see all the launched base tokens in the last days. As you can see, there are only 7 of them, and you can trade them very simply. For example, if you take a look at Santa Claus, you can buy it, you can sell it, you can limit order, and the way it works, it's pretty straightforward. You just deposit Ethereum on base and you trade, okay? If you want to use Bullex, you have the link in the description. When it comes to charting, you mainly have 3 platforms. First one is Dex Screener, very useful and famous platform, and it's also available for the base chain, obviously. To look only for base tokens, you would come here on the left panel and select base, and you will be displayed with all the tokens that you can apply filters on. For example, if we take a look at Neuro, which is a new base token, you're gonna see the exact same thing as you see with Solana, but for the base. Next up, we have GMGN, which also it's available for the base chain. To filter base tokens, you would come on the top right corner, click on the display menu, and select base, and you will be presented with all base tokens. The good thing about GMGN is that you can also have a look at the wallets. For example, I'm going to click at a random wallet, and as you can see, it's going to display all the wallet's trades. Like for example, this one has a 30% win rate. He made $900 over the last 7 days, and many other stats. Definitely, it's one of the most useful tools out there, not only for analysis, but also for trading because they have their own trading bot and wallet tracker. But this is out of the scope of this video, so we're just gonna skip past it. Lastly, we have define.fi. Once again, link in the description. That is also useful for analyzing base tokens. To do that, you're gonna come on the left panel, you're gonna select base, and you're gonna see once again all the base tokens starting from the most recent and the higher market cap ones. Let's take a look at Turbo, which is literally the first token. And as you know, define.fi is very useful when you want to track wallets and analyze them. Why? Because if you click on any candle, like for example, this one, it's going to show you all the exact trades that happen in this time frame, which is very, very useful when you want to look for potential copy tradable wallets or wallets who bought before a pump or something like that. When it comes to Telegram bots, I only use Sigma bot, which you're gonna have the link in the description once again, and it's pretty straightforward. The way it works is by pasting the contract address of the token in the text bar, and you're gonna be displayed with all the settings, for example, the slippage, the gas fees, how much do you want to buy, and so on. And you can also establish copy trading settings based on a wallet and on also other chains like AVAX, Binance Chain, Base, Ethereum, and so on. Lastly, I want to introduce you to this tool, which is very, very interesting for the Base chain, and it's called creator.bid. This website, it's mainly used to spot AI agents on the Base chain. As you guys know, AI, it's a very big meta nowadays, and it's not only on the Solana chain, but also on the Ethereum, Base, Binance, Sui, and every other chain. If you want to keep an eye and close track of the most updated and famous AI agents, you would want to go here and click on any one of them, and you're going to be presented with a lot of information, like for example, the volume, how many members it has, the chart, the contract address, tweets, and many things more. So that's what I have for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoy it, find it useful. If so, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, leave a comment, and most importantly, join our Telegram group chat. We're sharing a lot of daily insights when it comes to Memecoins trading, calls, tips, wallets, and many things. So with that being said, see you on the next one.